Galaxy Z Fold 5 first set of hands-on is leaked, and couple of information regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is true, and one feature which I told you coming in the Fold 5 is not coming anymore. But yes, Samsung changing the main thing on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. This is the official look of Galaxy Z Fold 5, and this clearly shows us one of the most important thing, the new hinge of Galaxy Z Fold 5. If you look closer, there is no gap between the hinge, which means we are going to get a water drop hinge on the Fold 5, just like other foldables in the market like Oppo and Vivo. Now due to this, we should get a less visible crease, right? Well, that is not the case with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Universe, his source claims that Galaxy Z Fold 5 will look identical to what we have seen on the Fold 4, which is a bit surprising news as Samsung is using the new water drop hinge but still same looking crease on the Fold 5. Although as per previous rumors, Fold 5 crease will be 15% less visible compared to the Fold 4, but there is no big difference between Fold 4 and Fold 5. We also get the back design hands-on images of Galaxy Z Fold 5, and this is the difference between Fold 5 and Fold 4. Only flashlight location is changed, else it is almost the same. The camera specs are also out, where we are going to see 50 megapixel main shooter, a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 10 megapixel telephoto sensor with a 3x optical zoom, an improved UDC under display camera, but the megapixel will remain same at 4 megapixel. Also, we might see an option for 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, just like S23 Ultra. If the new hinge is coming, we should get a better durability measures, right? As you have seen before, Fold 5 is now completely flat shut with no gap, so we should see IP58 rating, right? But sad to let you know, we are not going to get it. And some of my viewers are complaining about this news as it is not confirmed before, but now even Universe confirmed it. Galaxy Z Fold 5 does not meet the IP58 dust-proof standards, which means we are still going to get IP68 rating on the Fold 5 only for water resistance, so you should stay away from dust. Also, by getting this new hinge design, it is much lighter and thinner than the Fold 4. Fold 5 will weigh around 253 grams compared to 263 grams on the Fold 4. Due to a new hinge design, we can see some sort of improvements in cover display. Is it getting wider? Maybe. As this image shows, it is getting a little wider due to a new hinge design. Now, thing to notice, if the bezels are smaller than the Z Fold 4, then it should be wider than the Z Fold 4, but don't expect much wider. Also, Fold 5 will going to come with the same display technology and same peak brightness numbers at 1200 nits, but if you need a wider cover display, then you should wait for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, as Samsung is going to change the design on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung is going back where it came from for the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. We're all going to see the phones in Seoul, South Korea on July 27, and some rumors also suggest a second event which is going to happen in US on August 11, and you can pre-order the phone the day it will launch, hopefully on 27th of July. If you guys are concerned about the price of Galaxy Z Fold 5 as it is going down, then you should watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.